Hi guys, it's Nick from Embrosa, and today I want to show you how to log a problem or report a bug as we call it. So right now I'm in the demo space, and if we look below here on the left corner we see the question mark. If we click on that, we can select report a bug. If we click on that, we can type here our problem, what went wrong. So I type the problem. I can record my screen, or I can mark the bug. For example, I will mark the bug. For example, if this is a problem, I will mark this. I click on next. And after I type the problem, put in the screenshot or screen recording, what is the most relevant, I can file it right here. That's it. That's how you report a bug or file a problem. If you have any questions, let us know and see you next video. Bye bye.